Hello guys, Mr. Package again. So, we're going to unbox this one and see what's inside.
Let's see the second mystery box.
Second mystery box. It's just commercial, Rohan.
I can see a gross.
Oh, what are these? Woo!
It's
Whoa,
Achilles.
Hold on. So, this one is Master Diabolos. Okay, Master Diabolos. And then this one is what's this?
Achilles.
Union Achilles. Oh, I need that. Extend plus Retsu. All right. Hold on, let's check what's inside.
Extend.
Wow! Wow! Digital!
Show Achilles. Oh, my favorite. Oh, la la. Mamma mia. Mamma mia.
Okay, do not pull the string till it ends when using string launcher or bay launcher. Because another end of the string is locked up.
Whining.
Hey, don't show your face. Huh? That's mute. Okay, let's check it. Hold on, Rohan.
I already got to open yan Achilles.
It's for sale
Say
on
what?
our Lazada and Shopee store.
I need the driver.
Oh my goodness. Riley, go in this side. Alright.
It's unboxing.
Okay, so this is B123. This one, we actually needed this part. Oh, there's like a trigger.
I like a driver.
Woohoo!
Wait a minute.
Alright, so this is the digital sword launcher red B94. Whoa, so cool. This will, I think, calculate the strength of your launch. And also, as you can see, this is the stats of this Beyblade. So 5 stars, 3 stars, and maybe this one is handling. I'm not sure.
Where's both arrow here?
Hold on. Be careful. So.
Where's Sander?
Oh my goodness. Well, we're going to sell this on our Lazada and Shopee store. Digital sword launcher blue. Oh my goodness. But we only have one of each, so we'll see if
What?
we're going to cross post it. Because like for this one, we have 2 stock. We'll sell one on Lazada and then one in Shopee.
Where's the...
And just to avoid issue on inventory, I wanted to see the the Union Achilles because we still don't have that. So it's our first time to actually see the Union Achilles.
Dad, I want this one.
Yes.
Hey, it's a baby's hand.
Union Achilles. The one we actually needed for this is the Extend Plus. This one. That's one of the competitive parts.
I like this.
Wow! Look at this. Cool.
So I got this big boy now. This one.
Yes, and of course, the Master Diabolos. It's one of our best Beyblades currently, and I think this is one of the best Beyblades because
I want the
so strong. And also the what's this? The black long string launcher.
ultimate
one of the
blood
best.
string launcher.
Oh man!
This one is gonna be perfect. This one is my favorite. Also this one.
Oh yeah, I know, right? These two. Oh my goodness. B94 and B93. Digital sword
B94?
launcher. This one.
Who's
As you can see, there's the
B93?
B94. Alright.
This was now.
We're still looking for Baylager. If we were able to get some Baylager, we'll also sell it on our Lazada and Shopee store.
Hey!
Hey! Ron, where did you put the Union Achilles? I know, that's... Is that mask? No, that's the... Long Bay Launcher Set B1 today. Okay. Anyway, that's all for our mystery box number 2, right, Riley?
Yep.
Thank
I want
you.
This one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Buy us with this one.